Hey everybody, welcome. I wanted to, I got this neat little camera, a new camera, and I kind of wanted to show off the shop, what there is. It's not bad. I shouldn't say that. It's a pretty neat shop. Since I cleaned it, because I always clean it in between jobs, so, because it was a mess. So let's take a look at some of the pieces, parts to my shop. I try to keep things as organized as possible so that I can find things and I can get to things and work on stuff. So let's go ahead and look at the shop. Okay, so first off, this is pretty much where you see the overhead stuff, where I do a lot of the work. And here's a couple paints for this next project I'm going to be working on, or actually just the Red Hood cosplay I'm working on. So I got this really great, really large board. All the links to everything here that you'll see is in the description. They're Amazon affiliate links, and it's you can either do that or you can go to 3dprintedpropsgear.com. I've got a couple of these really great LEDs that I love, and then I just have a camera mounted up here on a board that I nailed or screwed into the ceiling, and it's pointed down, and I can sort of record everything right like that. Then over here I have like a bunch of close things that I usually need, glue gun, clips, little wrenches and stuff. We've got wood filler, all the gloves and stuff right here. Then down here we've got all the different kinds of spray paints and sort of filler things. So there's a bunch of really just tons of spray paints in there. I've got another little work area off to the side here. So this is where some things are prepped that are going to go up next. So of course all the Red Hood guns and armor. I've got some other little projects that I'm working on here. My airbrush. There's a bat suit I've been working on, and I kind of stalled on it. I need to get back on that. Maybe that's what we'll do next. That's a good idea. And like I said, I don't have a place to really put a lot of the stuff right now, so I just sort of have it over on this table area here. Star-Lord belt, and then the rocket boots and stuff. Fire extinguisher should always have. And then so just some old dresser drawers that I keep foam in and different things we'll be using at some point. I keep a bunch of PLA in here and books and some other different props I'm going to be using. And then here we have some of the power tools, like, the Dremels and the sanders and whatnot. And then in here mostly just different paints and stuff. The basics paints, that kind of stuff that I like. And I don't even know what's down there. Some poly, some different stuff. So tools, airbrushes are right here, and then I usually hang some clamps and my respirator there. And then I've got one of these things. Unfortunately, like Adam Savage, the drawers are like just where place things go that you can't ever find anything. So I keep really just little things in here like clips and the nylon. And then just some other stuff, I guess. Trash and recycling. And here's the project we're going to be working on next, which is Star-Lord's blaster. It's the last piece of the Star-Lord puzzle. Pretty excited about that. Keep some tape, all the different tapes in there. Always got to have little buckets to drop screws and stuff in. Windex. Laptop that is connected to, and this is where I'm sad, my 3D printer, my CR10. I don't know quite how you say it. I think it's Mosset or Mosset maybe. I don't know. There's a little short in there. There's a little scorch mark. This is one of the things that tends to go bad on these printers. So boo-hoo, I got to get that fixed. Good thing I've got a ton printed out. But here it is. Here's the CR10. Love this printer. Everybody talks about it. After the new year, I'm going to actually go ahead and start doing a bunch of mods to it that I've been getting in the mail. Not just print mods like these little guys, but all sorts of new stuff. So I'm really excited about that. Here's just another workspace. Different blades and stuff. I'm trying to find some place to put those. Paint brushes, little tools, the Aqua Nut for for the printer, blowtorch, and then like I keep a lot of these old prescription things. I found them somewhere. I think it was like at a thrift shop or something, because they're good for putting little bits and pieces in them. So here's all the tools that came with the CR10. I just keep them in here. One of these things, I was fighting buying it, but boy, I think it's really handy. I like using different colors of the wire, red and black, especially when you're doing a lot of complex wiring. Those are really nice to have. Some projects, again, I want to find a way to display these a little bit better. My wife left me a little love note. How sweet. And yeah, some more projects that we're going to be working on in the new year that I'm super excited about. This being one of them. There's a little sneak peek for you. So yeah, this is the shop. It's not huge, but man, it's got a lot of workspace. Everything I try to keep really handy to get at. There we go, guys. I hope you liked a view of the shop. If you have any questions about anything, again, look in the description. I've got links to pretty much everything in here. I do a lot of shopping on Amazon. I love it. Those are affiliate links. Some of them won't be, but for the most part they are. I use a site called kit.com, and the cool thing is you can use affiliate links, but you can also just use links to any place. So I've got TNT cosplay foam and DO3D, I can never say that. So it's pretty neat that you can sort of put stuff there, and I can just say, go over and take a look at it. One of the neat things I was able to do at that shop is if you go to 3dprintedpropsgear.com, is I can make a little, they call them kits, I can make a kit for each build. So there's a Star-Lord helmet kit, and it's got links to everything I used for the helmet. So go ahead and take a look at that. I also have the studio equipment that I use. These two LED lights are the best. I use them for everything. Last thing, I thought I'd give it a try. I started a Patreon where I'm sort of just posting little quick videos, like if I go out and sand something really fast, or if I'm working on a new project, sort of like a quick sneak peek. That's the word I'm looking for. So if you're interested, go over and check out those videos. And of course, if you become a member of Patreon, there's all different sorts of levels. Anything you do to help out, that'd be fantastic. Please like and subscribe, and check out 3D Printed Parts. Oh my God, I can't even remember my own channel name. 3dprintedpropsgear.com, and check out anything that you see in the shop if you want to pick up. And since I can't seem to get the words out, I'm just gonna have some more coffee and get to work. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you watching the video.